Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Dr. Amit's Competitive Classes. Today I am making a video on the second chapter of a standard 12th Vistas book. The chapter is The Tiger King, written by Kalki. Kalki is the pen name of Ramaswamy Krishnamurti Iyer, a very famous writer of South India. He has presented a very humorous story. The story is really very absorbing, and the video you are watching is maybe a bit longer. So please, you must watch the whole video because you are going to have a complete and detailed explanation of each and every incident of the chapter. And I have tried my best to discuss everything in such a way that just you listen and you feel comfortable while solving the answer asked from this question. Dear children, ये एक ह्यूमरस स्टोरी है टाइगर किंग. You must be knowing Tiger King. He is called the Tiger King. Actually, he is a humorous personality who is a boastful man who lives in the castle of pride, who lives in the castle of ego. This man, Tiger King, actually Kalki has written about the time when India was under the British rule. भारत में अंग्रेजों का शासन था, and there were kingdoms ruled by Indian rulers who used to be in the good book of the Britishers. हमारे टाइगर किंग वैसे ही एक राजा थे. उस समय होता था कि there was a great fear of losing the chair. He was such a king. Actually, what happened that जब वो जन्म लिए, when he was born, and when he was just 10 days, just 10 दिन के थे, astrologers predict किया भाई कि no, the king will die by tiger. He is going to be killed by the tigers. He was a very miraculous baby, very miraculous, very surprising. He spoke mere at the age of 10 days. Please let me know the detail. What is the reason? Why, sir, you have been born in the hour of the bull, and the bull and tiger are enemies, so your death will come from the tiger. 10 days old baby crawls and cries in a very high pitched tone, frightening everyone. Then tell every tiger to beware. Tell every tiger to be careful. It surprised everyone present there. किंग का पालन पोषण बहुत ग्रैंड वे में होता है, रॉयल वे में होता है. इंग्लिश गवर्नेंस पर उनको केयर करती है. He is given the milk of English cows. It is just a, you can say, here the writer is making a satire. Satire का मतलब क्या होता है? Satire is a humorous piece of writing. एक humorous writing होता है that is written just to point out the follies, the weakness present in the society. The theme of this chapter is only two. What? First one is death is unavoidable. We cannot avoid death. Once death has to come, it will come. One thing. Second thing is what? That all those enjoying power, all those who have a power, work a bit arrogant. All those having power become blind to certain system. Here what do we find? It is a satire on the people in power. The Tiger King power में है. But what is the problem, children? Here this man has a problem that just for refuting the prediction made about his death, this man has forgotten entire work, entire pursuits. So Kalki has here satirized it. Here he has made a bitter comment that in those days what used to happen, that rulers जो होते थे, they used to go on pursuit, उनको कोई मतलब नहीं था people के welfare से, लोगों के, that is was not. Administration वो कम देखते थे and they were more focused on what? Over their personal matter, entertainment, superstition, showmanship, hunting. That was it. तो टाइगर किंग इज वन ऑफ द सच किंग्स. मैंने आपको बताया कि 10 दिन के महज 10 दिन उनकी उम्र थी, तो ये बोलते हैं कि भाई नाउ टेल ऑल द टाइगर्स बी केयरफुल. सो जैसे जैसे किंग बड़े होते हैं, व्हाट हैपेंड दैट नाउ व्हेन ही बिकेम यंग, then he went on tiger hunting a spree. Tiger hunting organizes. Tiger hunting is organized, and he starts killing. He kills the first tiger very successfully, and he brings the tiger to where? To astrologer. Please see, I have killed a tiger. You were saying that I will die. My death will come from a tiger. Here the astrologer say, Your Highness, my lord, no doubt you may kill 99 tigers very successfully, but your death will come from 100th tiger. While killing 100th tiger, you must be very careful. Such a statement is given by the astrologer. Now the king has banned the hunting of tiger. Nobody will hunt tiger except me. He has forgotten his duty to the people, duty to the family, and he is just on hunting spree. He is hunting tiger after tiger. When the tiger population got diminished, he establishes marriage relationship. He married in the state where there is tiger population, and whenever he goes to his second house, he kills three or four tigers. This is the situation. Now the tiger population has become completely diminished. What he should do? He is giving order after order. He is giving order after order in a very humorous way, very ludicrous way. Ridiculous action is, someone informs him, sir, a tiger has been seen in the village. He says that it's a very good news, and he says that if it is right, and in excitement he forgives the revenue. But again, what happened when the news proves wrong? He doubles the revenue. Such an eccentric man, such a whimsical man he is. What happened further? That now he is restless for killing 100 tigers. Diwan, उनके दीवान से have understood कि भाई अगर हम टाइगर को if I don't arrange a tiger, तो हमारी नौकरी खतरे में है. I will also lose my job and life. पीपल्स पार्क मद्रास जाते हैं, वहाँ से एक बीमार टाइगर को लाते हैं. And he tied the tiger, he left the tiger where the king is camping. At the sight of the tiger, the king is very happy, and he fires bullet. Actually, what happens? Bullet misses the tiger. Tiger just fainted. The tiger king is so excited about this that he did not care whether the bullet has hit the tiger or not. Procession is taken out. There is a slogan in the name of the bravery of the king. The king is excited, appreciated he is all around. Congratulations being flooded of him, pouring in. He is so happy. But it is a dramatic irony, friends. Readers know, his people know, but the protagonist doesn't know. It is dramatic irony. ड्रामेटिक irony में क्या होता है? कैरेक्टर नहीं जानता, व्यूअर जान रहे थे फैक्ट क्या है, रीडर हम लोग जान रहे हैं फैक्ट क्या है। उसने फायर किया, वो नहीं मरा था, रॉयल हंटर ने उसको शूट किया, क्योंकि लोगों ने कह दिया कि सर आपने मार दिया। अगर वो जान रहेगा किंग की जिंदा है, क्या तुम लोग बेवकूफ? There may be another problem for the people, so the matter is kept secret, and the king is happy. There is an atmosphere of jubilation, there is excitement all around, there is happiness. Now the king gives attention to his family. The birthday celebration of his 3 years old son is going to be organized. He decided that he should do something. उन्होंने क्या खरीदा भाई? एक वुडन टाइगर खरीदा। अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो वुडन टाइगर जो था, एक अनस्किल्ड कारपेंटर ने बनाया था उसको। उसमें क्या था? स्लीवर जो था, पॉइंटेड स्लीवर। While he was playing with that tiger, what happened? That sliver burst his flesh and it developed into a big sore. घाव बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है किंग को। डॉक्टर आते हैं, डॉक्टर देखते हैं, there is no relief to the king. Finally एक सर्जन आते हैं, कहते हैं ऑपरेशन करना होगा, and he operated the king. The king died during the operation. The surgeon said the operation is successful, the king is okay. So मैंने कहा आपको कि it is a very humorous presentation. Here we find that the king died. Finally the statement of prediction of astrologer became true. तो मैंने आपको बोला शुरू में ही कि थीम क्या है वही, डेथ इज अनअवॉइडेबल, ट्रांजिएंस ऑफ लाइफ, ट्रांजिएंस ऑफ पावर, ट्रांजिटरी, लाइफ इज ट्रांजिटरी, पावर इज ट्रांजिटरी. So here we find that उस समय की ये कहानी है जब ब्रिटिशर्स, the Indian rulers were under the thumb of Britishers. थम के रहते थे कि ना भाई आप ऑनर हो. इसी में एक कहानी है कि एक ब्रिटिश हाई रैंकिंग अथॉरिटी हंटिंग करना चाह रहा है राजा के राज्य में. कहा कि सर नो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, यू कैन गो ऑन. बड़ा ह्यूमरसली काल्की ने इसको लिखा है, राइटर ने लिखे हैं इसको, राइटर इंडियन, दिस इज द ग्रेट साउथ इंडियन राइटर, ही हैज रिटन वेरी नाइसली. उन्होंने कहा सर यू गो ऑन रैट हंटिंग, यू कैन गो ऑन मॉस्किटो हंटिंग प्लीज सर, बट यू कैन नॉट गो ऑन टाइगर हंटिंग. तो ठीक है भाई ऐसा करो, आई हैव जस्ट एक लाइकिंग है, आई वांट टू हैव अ फोटोग्राफ विथ द डेड बॉडी ऑफ द टाइगर. टाइगर को आप शूट करो. ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर ने कहा कि आप शूट करो, सिर्फ हमको एक फोटो उसकी डेड बॉडी के साथ भिजवा दें. टाइगर किंग ने कहा कि नो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. और उस समय अगर ब्रिटिश हायर रैंकिंग अथॉरिटी गुस्सा मार गए तो आप समझ सकते हो जी, आपकी चेयर दैट इज। अब इनको क्या करें, तो कहें कि अच्छा चलो भाई, इन ऑर्डर टू प्लीज द वाइफ ऑफ दैट हाई रैंकिंग ऑफिशियल, इन्होंने क्या किया, 50 रिंग्स ऑफ डायमंड सेंड किया कि वन सिलेक्ट करेगी, रेस्ट भेज दी। लेकिन तो हुआ क्या, she kept all the 50 rings and sent a message to the king giving him thanks. In this way the king has spent the money of public like waters. Just see क्या irony है, how कहना क्या चाह रहा है, irony क्या है? Irony is not a direct attack, direct comment. It is indirectly presented. यहाँ पर irony है कि यहाँ पर काल्की दिखाना चाह रहे हैं कि the king is whimsical, stupid. His action reflects. So it is what? Irony. Dramatic irony. There is a protagonist does not know. The reader knows. We know क्या भाई कि उसने शूट किया, टाइगर नहीं मरा, तो 100 टाइगर तो नहीं मरा। Finally what happened? It is ironical, bitter irony that he was killed by 100 tiger and he died. So यहाँ पर चिल्ड्रन क्या है, हमने थीम सिलेक्ट किया जो The story shows transience of life and power. Transience मतलब shortly, temporary, not permanent. It is a bitter satire. The story has been bitterly satirized. एक व्यंग है जी, bitter व्यंग. On the people in power. They work whimsically. They are whimsical people, eccentric people. है ना? तो यहाँ पर एक वोकैबुलरी है स्टूका बॉम्बर। जब स्टोरी को आप पढ़ेंगे तो स्टूका बॉम्बर के बारे में है। तो स्टूका बॉम्बर क्या है भाई, जर्मन एयरक्राफ्ट है। राइटर कहते हैं कि वो जो है लौट सकता है, लेकिन नहीं, मैं बिना और कहानी कहे नहीं रुकूंगा। Nobody can stop me. Kalki is determined to narrate the story. मैं नहीं रुकने वाला। And he narrated the story. टाइगर किंग के बारे में इन्होंने बताया कि टाइगर किंग कैसा इंसान है। I also told you what about टाइगर किंग। तो इसका नाम क्या पड़ गया भाई, टाइगर। His death will come from a tiger, and he says that tell all the tiger to be careful, beware all the tigers. And really, when he became grown up, he started hunting tiger. ये आपकी स्टोरी है ह्यूमरस। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग इसको लाइक करोगे। And all those who have not subscribed my channel, students of 12th, 10, 11, I have not met till now, but I will. Please subscribe, share, and like. I am going to make every chapter of 12th, 10th, and 11th so interesting and so easy to grasp that you will grasp. You will not have any problem. Just by watching my video, you will be in a position to answer the questions. Very systematically I have. You can watch my previous videos, then you will find that chapters have been discussed. Again, I have started today. I took a gap due to some unavoidable circumstances, technical problem I had. Again, I am in field to extend my support, extend my cooperation to all the students. Thank you for watching my video.